Hello students, now in this session I will explain sum number 1 of exercise 14.2. Okay, so let's begin with sum number A of question number 1. Now before we start with sum number 1 of question number 1, we have to know that all the questions in question number 1, we have to follow these two identities. Okay, so the question will be given either in this format or in the second format, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so these are the two formats. Now if you have to change this format into this form, that is if it is given a square plus 2ab plus b square form, then you have to change it to a plus b whole square form, and if it is given in a square minus 2ab plus b square form, then you have to change it to a minus b whole square. Okay, so let's start with sum number 1. Now how to understand this, that which identity we have to change, that is to a plus b or a minus b. If you see all the signs are positive, then it's quite obvious that you have to change a plus b, and if you see there is one minus sign existence is there in the expression, then we have to change it in a minus b whole square. Now how to change it? Now the first thing that you have to do is that you have to concentrate on the first number and the last number. Okay, so the first number we will take it as a whole square, that is this way, whole square. Okay, we'll write plus here, fine. And then the last number, what is a square of, not a square of, so we have to change this 16 to a square form, that is we can write 16 as 4 square, isn't it? We can write in this way because 4 fours are 16. So in this way we come to know that what is the value of a. So we'll consider this as a and this as b. Fine. Now in between these two numbers, what we have in the formula, 2ab, isn't it? So 2 into, what is the value of a? A is a only, and what is b? B is 4. So if you multiply this, 8a will come, we have to check it. 2 4s are 8, 8 into a is 8a. So we are showing that it is following this particular identity, that is a plus b whole square. So we have to expand it. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, that would be equals to a plus b whole square. Okay, so it is a plus b whole square. So this is how we have converted a square plus 2ab plus b square to a plus b whole square. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 2. So sum number 2 is p square minus 10p plus 25. Now you see one minus sign is there, so obviously we have to change it to a minus b whole square this time. Now again we will concentrate on the first term and the last term, so we have to change it to whole square form. So p square will be written as p square, we will put minus sign here, then plus 25 will be written as 5 whole square. Now this time in place of a we have p, in place of b we have 5. So in between what we have to write, 2 into a into b. So 2 into a means p and b means 5. Let's multiply this and see whether 10p is coming or not. 2 5s are 10, 10 into p is 10p, so it's coming. So what to write? p a minus b. So a is p minus b is 5 whole square. So this is your final answer. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 4. 4 is 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. Okay, now since all the signs are positive, so we have to change it to a plus b whole square form. So let's see the first term and the last term first. 49y square can be written as 7y whole square. We have to change it to whole square form. And how to write 36z square? We will write 36z whole square, isn't it? So in middle what we have to write, 2 into a into b. So this is b and this is a, the 2ab. Let's multiply it. 16 6 to the 12 and 12 7s are 84 y into z. So 84 yz it is coming. So finally we'll write what? A plus b whole square, isn't it? So we'll write 7y, that is a, and what is b? B is 6z whole square. So it is a plus b whole square. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 6. So what is sum number 6? 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16c square. Fine. So again we see there is minus sign is there. So quite obvious, we have to change it to a minus b whole square. Now let's see the first term. The first term can be written as 121 means 11 into 11, and b, that is 11b whole square. We'll put minus sign here. Plus 16 means 4 into 4 is 16, c whole square. So in place of a we have 11b, and in place of b we have 4c. So in between, in middle, what we have to write? 2 into a into b. So 2 into a, this is a, 11b is a, and b is what? 4c. Just multiply this. 22 into 4, 88, 88bc. So it's coming. So finally we have to write it 11b minus 4c whole square. So a minus b whole square. Okay. So let's do sum number 7. Yes, now this is sum number 7. So it is little different from others. So they have given L plus m whole square minus 4lm. The first thing that we have to do is we have to expand this using the identity a plus b whole square. So in place of a we have L, in place of b we have m. So according to the formula it would be a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Then we'll write this 4lm. Okay, so now L square plus 2lm plus m square minus 4lm. Now these two are carrying the same variable, so these are the like terms, so we'll bring them together. So L square 2lm minus 4lm plus m square. So what is the answer of this? The answer of this would be minus 2lm, because minus sign 4 is greater and it is carrying minus sign, so I will have to put minus sign here, plus b square, isn't it? Now we have to change this into the identity, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we'll write this in this form, a square, then we'll write this in this form. So this is a and this is b. In middle what we have to write? 2 into L into m, isn't it? So finally we can write L minus m whole square. Fine. So this is a solution of sum number 7. Very, very important. Okay. So let's move on to sum number 8, which is the last sum of question number 1. Now again you see all in the expression we have all positive sign. Obviously we have to change this to a plus b whole square. Yes. Now first term and second term. So how to convert this into the whole square form? So in this way, if you see that any number or any term is carrying 4 as a power, so you can convert it into a square to the power 2. Fine. And the same thing we'll do with b also, that is b square to the power square. Okay, that is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. Now a is what? A square. B is what? B square. So in middle what we have to write? 2 into a into b. Okay. Now finally what we have to write? A plus b whole square, that is a is a square and b is what? B square. So a plus b, then we'll put whole square sign. So this is the solution of sum number 8. Okay, so students, that's it for this session. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you all.